When you're working on a document with your team, you could use comments or even for yourself to have some correction. If I click on comments, because my cursor was here, based on your user, your time, you could type any comment. For example, are you sure? And other users could reply and fix it and work on that and choose result. The comment section here, it is not complete. To access full section, go to review tab, and on comments, you could show comments or hide them. Go to next, previous one. You could delete them, delete even all comments or all shown. And also, like the regular one, you could insert a comment. On the changes, let's say as an example, I set result. The owner or manager or author could accept that. Let's say accepted this one or reject that. So rejecting you, it will get removed, and accepting with description, you could choose that. Still, you could navigate next one, previous one, which I don't have here. So let me create one more at least. Next and previous. And of course, we have reject all. We could change the rejection. For example, here it is rejected, but I could change the rejection. And of course, change the tracking. The tracking section here, by clicking, you could change tracking, you could lock tracking, set different type of all markups, no markup. For example, I insert a simple markup. Allow me to add here. And show markup, comments, formatting, balloons, the style. And by tracking here, I could change the track. And you see now it is different. I could lock the track. You could insert the password. And you could review pane, change it to the horizontal or vertical. I will go more deeply in practical method when we're working on a specific project to describe more useful features here, although in general, everything here almost self-explanatory, but we have some additional tips and customization features.